Aloha, this is Laura Leist, and I am coming to you from the beautiful island of Maui, where we have been here for the past couple of weeks on a work retreat as well as a vacation. The day that we left Seattle was the day that there were many earthquakes on the big island and a lot of lava flowing from Kilauea. And for the past couple of weeks, I've been watching all of the footage about what's going on the big island, and it got me thinking about just being prepared and organized for any upcoming natural disaster. So I live in earthquake zone in Seattle, and while I do have a lot of kits ready to go, there's a couple of things that I want to share with you about what you could add to your emergency preparedness. So the first is thinking about having cash on hand, and the fact that you may not be able to use credit cards in the case of a natural disaster. So having small bills, 1s and 5s, where you don't need a lot of change in case someone's not able to make that change for you, would be very useful. The second thing is something that I bought recently called Illuminate, and it's a little portable lantern about this big that collapses, so it fits nicely into a kit. And not only is it a solar powered lantern, but it has USB chargers on the top of it so that I can charge my cell phone and still have the ability to use that. The third item I want to talk to you about is making sure that you have information at your fingertips from anywhere, whether it's on an internet browser, at a friend or family's home if you need to evacuate suddenly from your home, or from your iPhone. Now, you've probably heard me talk a lot lately about LastPass, and LastPass does so much more than just store your passwords. It can also store things like copies of your insurance policies, copies of your credit cards, copies of your bank statements, your passport, your driver's license. You can take images of these items and store them in your LastPass, or also scan your insurance policies or bank statements so that you can literally pull it up online and have all of that information at your fingertips. So not only, again, is it great for password management, but it's great for you to be prepared with all of this information at your fingertips should you need it if a natural disaster strikes. So I hope that you will make some time to do these things, to be prepared. And I want to say a mahalo to you for listening to our video newsletter from the beautiful island of Maui.